two angles are complementary, the measure of one is 15 degrees more than twice the measure of the other. Find the measure of each angle using a system of two equations in two variables. So let's go ahead and define our two variables to start with. We have two angles, so we need two variable names. Why don't we call them x and y? So we'll talk about x as one of our angles and y as the other angle. Let's start writing down some equations. Now we know the two angles are complementary. That means that their sum is 90 degrees. So I know that x plus y equals 90. We know something else about these two angles. We know the measure of one is 15 degrees more than twice the measure of the other. So let's write something about that. Let's say that x is the one whose measure is 15 more than twice the other. So x is equal to 15 more. So 15 more than what? More than twice the measure of the other. So more than twice y. So x is 15 more than 2 times y. So now we have two equations, two unknowns. Since this is set up as x equals something, this is perfect for a substitution method. We could just go ahead and substitute x into this equation. So we have, instead of x plus y, I'll write this as 15 plus 2y, that's x, plus y equals 90. We can solve this. We can add 2y and y, and we get 3y. I can subtract 15 from both sides. 90 minus 15 is 75. Let's go up here. I can divide both sides by 3. 3y divided by 3 is y. 75 divided by 3 is 25. So it looks like y is equal to 25. And now we can go back to this equation, plug in y equals 25, and see what x is. So x equals 15 plus 2 times y. Y is 25. 2 times 25 is 50. 15 plus 50 is 65. So it looks like x equals 65. So y equals 25. That's degrees. X equals 65 degrees are our solutions.